Meaning of high-mindedness.
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 High-mindedness. High-mindedness is a term that refers to the quality of having noble or elevated thoughts, principles, and ideals. It describes someone who is morally upright, possessing a strong sense of integrity and selflessness. A high-minded person is motivated by a desire to do what is right, rather than for personal gain. They prioritize the greater good rather than their own self-interest. In short, high-mindedness embodies the values of altruism, honor, and courage, and represents an ideal to which all individuals should aspire.